Well, Patriots fans, it looks like tight end Rob Gronkowski will be staying here in New England through the 2019 season. The Pats reportedly exercised the remaining $6 million on Gronkowski's $10 million option on Monday. The move came as no surprise considering Gronk finished the 2015 season leading all tight ends in reception yards and capped it off with a monster AFC Championship game, racking up 8 catches for 144 yards and a touchdown. Now, how exactly Gronkowski feels about all of this is somewhat unclear. He tweeted some thoughts that were, well, just plain Gronk-like on Monday night. It's tough to decipher, but some seem to think that the tweet means Gronk is unhappy with his contract, while many think that the All-Pro tight end simply wants everyone to know he works hard for more than just the money.